Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what the next Mythical Epic is going to look like. We now have the spine and icon along with the hero pose, so let's get into the video. Alright, so right here we have the icon of the pet. It has some like gold spots on its head, blue eyes, purple horns with some gold in the start of them, and now we are going to move on to the spine. Alright, so right here you can see that there are some like fire things, so maybe this will be a fire pet, or maybe that's just like what it breathes out when it does the attack. We also have the tail right here. It's going to be like light purple with a white bottom. It might be crushing the ground when it does its attack, because we have this. Here's a horn. This is one of the wings. It's going to have gold, purple, blue, and white. I'm not sure what this thing is right here. And then we have the necklace down in the bottom right. So now we are going to move on to the hero pose. Alright, so if you go to the Mythical Epic page on Prodigy's website, it's not going to be there. But with one of the links from the CDN, I can get it, and other people can get it if you know the link. But as you can see right here, this is the Mythical Epic. We have the necklace. It has blue eyes. Some of this stuff might match up. Like, this doesn't really, but that's probably going to be somewhere else. Then we have some claws. We have the purple wings. And yeah, it looks pretty cool. So, yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.